Hello, my dear students. How are you guys doing? So, another very important announcement for CMA examinations coming straight away from the institute itself. But before starting the announcement, I would like to take your 2 minutes. ठीक है? अभी ध्यान से देखना. Your examinations now are postponed to 22nd of October. You have approximately 3 months with you. Approx 3 months. Now there are going to be two type of students, right? You have approximately 3 months with you. Up when it comes to these 3 months, there are two students. One of them is going to enjoy, and there is another student who is going to take the complete advantage of these 3 months by adding one group. Almost each and every student of us has done this already, right? By the time examinations were postponed, so they did that all the time. But if you are one of them who has not added any group, अगर आपने एक भी ग्रुप अभी तक ऐड नहीं किया, अगर कर ही नहीं सकते हो तो अलग बात है. If you are over there in inter, you are doing group 1, you can easily add group 2. Group 2 छोटा है उससे, it will be covered in a short span of time. Same as with finals. Group 2 is short. Group 2 छोटा है, आप वहाँ पे कवर कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, उसको ऐड किया जा सकता है. Now moving ahead and talking about the next part. See, you have and then you have inter, you have finals. But if you really want to use these 3 months and you want to see yourself that in December you are going to crack these two groups, or else you are happy, ठीक है चलो ठीक है, I am going to give one group, it's okay, whatever the result is going to be. Or else if you have those kind of, uh, कहते ना एक, you have that kind of courage that I want to give two groups at this point of time and I'm going to pass. If you have that courage, you are hardworking, then go for it. If still you have not done any such kind of thing, please do it. सर ये तो आप कह रहे हो ना, इंस्टीट्यूट ने क्या कहा है? अरे a lot of students who have requested ICMI that we want to add one more group. Now how this one more group can be added? बात को समझना ध्यान से, हाँ, बात को समझना ध्यान से. Now when we talk about adding this one more group, there was a tweet by Pappan sir. Pappan sir को जानते हो सब लोग? Just give me a moment, I will just share this. Okay. Just give me a moment, my dear students. Yeah, there we go. So we have this now. So Papan sir straight away tweeted. What was the tweet? The tweet was, your request is again considered, my dear students. The date extended. Adding one more group is possible now. That is permitted. As mentioned earlier as well, 2 महीने पहले जो बोला था कि इंस्टीट्यूट ये चांस देगा ही देगा. So they have given it again. Now moving ahead, anyways. So how you are going to do this? How we are going to do this? So that is something which is explained over here. So okay, I will take this image to our next page. So, how we are going to do this? How the institute? What are the various terms and conditions laid down by the institute? देखो क्या क्या है. सबसे पहले तो इंस्टीट्यूट ने बोला the mode of payment is required to be done by debit card net banking for the students who want to fill the examination form this time. जिन्होंने अभी तक examination form को fill नहीं किया है और they are looking forward to fill their examination forms this time, they are doing a great job, sir. Do it right now. The last date is 21st of August. The last date is 21st of August. Okay, I cannot mark things over here. I don't know why. So the last date is 21st of August. You can fill your examination forms either by using credit card, debit card, net banking, or if you are using that kind of fee pay module, तो भी डेट यही सेम रहने वाली है. बस ध्यान रखना, whenever you are filing your examination form, it is very important for a student to write the name and the official address, mobile number carefully, because that will be considered as official communication. हो जाता है वो, एक बारी हो गया तो हो गया. सर एक मिनट, दो तीन क्वेश्चन मेरे माइंड में है. अब यहाँ पर देखो, I have a couple of questions. It's okay. I know what kind of questions you have. And apart from that, this was all about that how you are going to fill your examination forms. So first of all, you are going to put your registration number. You have an online application. Online application कहाँ पे आता है? Students में जाते हैं. Students में जाने के बाद examinations. Then you have your online examination form. Then you have this online application with you. Just select it. Intermediate. Click. Right. You will come to know about the fee structure. ये सारा का सारा आपका fee structure है. Apart from that, if we talk about the next part, So last date is 21st of August. It is written over here. See, 21st of August आपकी last date है. For the students who are looking forward to fill the examination form, you have the last date is 21st of August. Sir, मेरे को group add करना है, मेरे को exam center change करना है. A lot of questions are over there. Right? What to do? कैसे करूँगा? बताता हूँ, सब बताऊँगा, सब बताऊँगा. And what you can do that 21st of August is your last date. इतना समझ लो पहले. And when it comes to the next part, my dear student, when it comes to the next part, okay, so you are required to have, I mean, okay, it's okay, ये तो मैं आपको बता ही दूंगा अभी. Then you are going to put your registration number and move ahead if you are going to fill the examination form. Sir, if I am not going to fill the examination form, I know about the examination forms. What I want to know about is now I want to add a group. Okay, no worries, no worries. You have already filled in your examination form. Examination form आपने already भर दिया है, right? So examination form के लिए अपने को कुछ नहीं करना है अभी. Fill in your email ID, put your mobile number carefully, select the exam center, select your group and post a DD. Now in this situation, my dear students, there is no option like you are going to have, I mean, these kind of options for online banking, right? Credit card, debit card, no such options are provided. So the people who are like required to fill in a group, to fill in an additional group, they are required to submit their fees by DD. DD किसकी फेवर में होगा? This is written over here. You can take a screenshot. The things which are marked in purple, right? That should be in favor of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, payable at Kolkata. तो सर इसके साथ मैं करूँगा क्या? Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, so how we are going to deal with this? मुझे तो ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. You are telling us that okay, we will send the DD. Okay, you will send the DD. Where? You got the address ना? Address पता चल गया ना? Now, two questions which are straight away coming in mind of various students. That sir, I am going to send the DD. Okay. Along with this, you are going to send your original exam form. Original exam form. That means which you have filled in previously, plus new exam form. But do remember, my dear students, there should not be this अपॉर्चुनिटी विच इज अगेन गिवन टू यू गाइज. दोबारा से जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है 21st ऑफ अगस्त तक, यू कैन ऐड योर एग्जाम, ऐड योर ग्रुप, बट चेंज ऑफ सेंटर नहीं हो सकता. चेंज ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर इज नॉट अलाउड. चेंज ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर इज नॉट अलाउड. Getting my point? Sir, if I am giving like group 1, I was giving group 1 earlier. Now I want to switch to group 2. Switch over of groups not allowed. This is again not allowed. If you want to apply for additional group, this is your technique. This is your mantra. Or else wait for some kind of official communications, although that was also official, the Twitter handle of Pappan sir, right? But still, you can wait for some more time. Let us wait for the official communication. Things will get clear also. But this is for sure कि DD होना चाहिए. For the time being अपना DD तो बनवा के रख ही सकते हो, right? You know about the fee structure 1200 1400. That is something which I have already explained. फी स्ट्रक्चर पता है ना सबको? नहीं पता? चलो एक काम करते हैं, फी स्ट्रक्चर भी आपको फिर से बता देते हैं. That fee structure is 1200 per group for inter, and for final 1400. For final 1400. And this was okay. This was, तो जो बच्चे, the students who are looking forward, you can take the screenshot over here as well. जिन बच्चों ने screenshot नहीं लिया था, screenshot ले लो इधर से जल्दी से. You are required to send DD to Institute of Cost Accountants of India, payable at Kolkata. ओके सर, इन केस इफ वी आर गोइंग टू फेस सम काइंड ऑफ पेमेंट इश्यूज, पैसे कट गए वहाँ पे नहीं रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है, तो इंस्टीट्यूट इज सेइंग इफ यू आर सेंडिंग डीडी, right, if you are sending DD, then you are going to track the status of your application 3 days after the amount is deducted from your account. Okay, once your amount is deducted, your DD has reached over there, wait for 3 days. By the time institute has received the payment, they have received the due demand draft, you are going to wait for 3 days and after that go for it. Okay, got it sir, got it. Yes please. The filling up procedure for the students, that is different. You can take a screenshot. Step 1 2 3 4 5. जो पहली बार एग्जाम फॉर्म भर रहा है उसके लिए अलग है, जो दूसरी बारी भर रहा है, इन ऑर्डर टू ऐड एनी काइंड ऑफ एडिशनल ग्रुप, सो यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू पे फीस फ्रॉम DD only. No such other option is available. That's it. That was the only thing which I wanted to share over here, my dear students. That's all from my side. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. We'll see you in some other videos. Stay tuned. We are coming up with some more revision videos as well. Right? So stay tuned. Keep learning. Keep growing. Bye. In case if you have any doubts, you can let us know into the comment section as well. Right? My team will respond over there. Bye.